Okay, so here's Roku TV. As we can see, hopefully you guys can see this. This is the actual device. Alright. These are the actual channels that are on the device. And just like in the last video, if we go through music, we can see that Pandora, a lot of rock stations, nothing really for rap, urban, or hip hop. A lot of metal. I ain't got nothing against those individuals that make music. Good music is good music. Okay, so that's what that is. Like I said, they got, of course, they got Pandora. Everyone's gonna have Pandora. Shoutcast is empty. And I haven't been through the Shoutcast too many times. It's empty. So here's what my channel looks like. I have 2 channels. This right here is my public channel. So it involves arts, it involves business, club night, comedy, education, entertainment, employment, fashion, reality TV, travel, and then it has my own channel where an individual can come through and get to know me if they don't know me. Alright, but that's not why I'm here. I'm here because I wanted to click on the hip hop channel. As we can see, there's Roku up at the top. Okay. In our hip hop channel, this is what it will look like. When an individual comes and searches for the channel, they will search for all hip hop, R&B, and urban music. This is what they'll see, which is my logo. Okay, then they'll click on it, and they'll see the selections of the cities that are present. Currently at this moment, because I'm just reaching out to the communities, and I'm searching for good conduct or good content. My channel, my hip hop channel is basically empty. My other channel is that's full. So here we got one where she now drops 32 bar takeoff. So we're gonna click OK on that, and as we can see at the top, we get the location of where the artist is, what the artist name is, the artist name, the name of the track played. You'll also get an independent image as well as the genre. And then we post who it is that the credits for the video goes to. Of course, you got a ranking system. And we also put in the amount of time that the video takes to run. So we'll just start this one up and then we'll stop it. As we can see again, there's the name right there. And then here's our video player starting up. And I am, see now, and we can pause this, or we can let it play. It's optional. We hit the pause button, play. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the other one. We're going to take a look at this one from Fusion Records Entertainment, which we just put together just now based on conversation on Facebook. So we're going to take a look at that right now. As we can see, there's the logo again. There's Detroit Artist. So it's going to be labeled under Detroit Artist, and the name of the track is I'm from Detroit by Fusion Records Entertainment. Then, of course, Fusion Records. We can resume play or begin play. We just gave this image for the genre. We just put Home Pride because they are in the process of getting ready to upgrade the video. And then we added the credits, which is what we saw on the YouTube page, which was check our website. So we went on ahead and gave credits to them for that, which is what we're supposed to do. And then we got the time for the video. So now we're gonna hit play again. Fusion Records Entertainment. We're retrieving that data. And this is a wonderful song too. Okay, so we're gonna pause that now. As we can see, when we hit the pause button, we automatically get our functions. And I'm controlling all this by way of the remote control, so there's no discrepancy about that. We hit the home button, of course. We can see that again. We're in the roku channel store. This is where the actual channels are uploaded to and displayed for public usage. The price for one of these channels, I'm not gonna lie to you, they're extremely expensive. That's the reason why I'm handing out. I do that for those individuals that don't know. I do what I can for my community as much as I can, or when I can. Let me say that. Also, of course, they got Netflix, Pandora. Of course, all these people can afford, development costs. So I just created one channel, all urban hip hop, and and we're gonna get our music out there. We're gonna get our voices out there. Now, the Roku, this device sold, it sold it sold 1.5 million the first year. Second year, it sold 2.5 million. That's a total of 4 million, and that was for the past 2 years. They're projected to do double of that by the end of this year. So, for those individuals that don't know, Roku is going to end up taking away from the internet, not the internet, the cable box. So cable boxes will become obsolete shortly. As we can see, they got their top 50 stations. But like I said, once you get down to rap, we'll go down here in the rap, and we'll take a look at it real quick while we're here. So R&B and urban rap, and they have 3 stations. I mean, this is alternative rap, as we can see. That's of course Shoutcast Radio, which you would think Shoutcast would have a lot of channels. This is all they have is 3 channels. So the individuals that had this developed, the East Coast, the Dirty South has 2 stations on there. The individuals that had this who built this channel, they built it just strictly and just through Shoutcast up there. As you can see, the East Coast rap has no content whatsoever, and that's just impossible. It's impossible for the East Coast not to have any rap. It's like saying Detroit without top 10s. Okay, so they have a few freestyle channels. That is what they do have. They do have a variety of freestyle channels. Well, it's not a variety. They just have a couple, and you can click on it. And it plays through. So, this is what's there. So, thus, for us to get our content out there, to utilize our networks and get out here on this device, because it's going to be at 8 to 10 million by the end of this year. There's no, I don't know how else to put it. We need to be here. We need to be here. If we haven't got here, we need to get here. Work together, do what we can to help each other out. So that's it. Peace.